Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. And I Yashoda welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Dehati Madam. Friends, in today's video we are going to find out a reason why we are not able to speak English. Even after doing a full percent, even after doing all kind of practice, still we are not able to speak English. Why? What is the reason? Friends, in this video I am going to tell you that reason why you and I not able to speak English. Friends, there is only one reason behind this, that we are not able to speak English. And the reason is your belief system. You don't have your strong belief system. We are just confused. We are always confused that I can do it or not. I should do it or not. We are just thinking about it. First, if you want to learn anything, if you want to do anything in your life, first make a strong belief system. First, believe in yourself. First, start believing in yourself. Have faith in yourself. Only then you can do anything. Only then you can achieve your goal. Only then you can achieve your fluency in English. If you have a strong belief system, then I think every person in this world can do anything, and there is nothing like that who will stop him. Friends, if there is a situation like do and die, then I think every person is ready to give 100%, to give his 100%. Friends, that's why I'm telling you, first make your strong belief system, and then make a situation like do and die. First, ask yourself, why do you want to learn English? What is the reason behind learning your English? If it's necessary for you, then learn. And if you're just fascinating to see someone, that if other person speak fluent English, then you will also want to learn English, then just stop it. Hindi is our mother tongue, don't forget it, and we should proud on our language and just keep Hindi language. But if English is necessary for you, if there is a need of this language in your life, then do learn this language. Give your 100%. Learn this language with giving your 100%. Learn this language with your full confidence. Learn this language first. To learn this language, first believe in yourself. I'm telling you. Suppose that, friend, just think in your mind. Just think in your mind that you are standing in front of huge public. There is a huge public sitting in front of you, and you are standing on the stage, and you are just addressing all the people. You are motivating all the people. Just feel how much you feel proud of on yourself on that day. In order to experience that kind of thing, you will have to speak English, and you will have to learn English. And in order to speak fluent English, you will have to learn English. And in order to learn English, you will have to make a strong belief system. You will have to first faith in your system. First believe in yourself. Yes, I can do it. I'm ready to do it. There is nothing like that who will stop me. I can achieve my fluency. I can achieve fluency in English at any condition. I'm just ready to do it. Friends, if you are the one who is ready to learn anything with your full confidence, with your full, with a strong belief system, then I think there is nothing in this whole world who will stop you. I'm telling you, friends, first make a strong belief system. Okay? Just make a condition like do and die. If there is a condition like do and die, then I think you will be ready to give your 100%. First think, why do you want to learn English? Only then start learning English. Only then start speaking English. Friends, this is all that I want to tell you. And I think it's enough for today. I don't want to speak anything. Just think about it. First, think about it and ask yourself and give answer to yourself. Why do you want to learn English? And if you are ready, then make a condition like do and die. And just start this journey. Okay, friends, we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.